Alright, YouTube. Finally got the floors done. We still got to undercoat it. If we don't, we're going to end up right back in the same boat we was in, replacing floors. So today we're going to be getting under the car, getting everything cleaned up, getting some undercoat on it, mainly on the places that were replaced, because they're bare metal right now. So we're going to get that done, and then if I have any time left over, because today's my last day this week I can work on it, we may start pulling the dash. Alright, as you can tell by my face, got everything cleaned up best we can. There's some places I cannot get to due to the motor, transmission, exhaust, and everything being in the car still. But we got everything cleaned up. It was real bad. Got all the places that I replaced cleaned up. So now, get the crap off of there. Anyway, now we're going to get our undercoating and get back under the car and get everything sprayed. And as far as what I'm going to be using this Rust-Oleum Pro Grade undercoating. It's in a rattle can. I got 6 cans of it. Should be enough. If not, I'll have to go get some more, but we'll get under here and start spraying. Alright, undercoating sprayed on the car. It's done. Inside's done. Floor is done. Just a quick look up under the car. Everything's covered. Got the undercoating done. And this is a shot of the other side. So now we're gonna move on to getting this dash, trying to get it pulled out, and see what we got behind there. Alright, we got the dash out. And I don't know what in the spaghetti noodle they had going on right here. Got a whole mess of wires that are used for nothing. So we're going to go through them. Probably next video. I'm out of time for today. We're going to go through them, get out everything that's not being used, not hooked up to anything. Clean it up. Get it looking nice, the way everything goes back together nice and neat. But like always, if you like the video, want to see more of the build, consider subscribing. If you like the video, drop a like, drop a comment, let me know what you think. Or if you want to see what kind of pasta sauce I'm going to use with this bowl of spaghetti, keep watching. But anyway, we'll see y'all next time.